Hi, welcome back. I think tonight we're gonna try to drill out spot welds on the kick panel, take a look at what the gel did to the paint. I honestly haven't looked at it since I put it on yesterday. I'll probably use a plastic scraper to scrape it off with, but we'll look at that, and then I don't think I'm gonna buy this apron piece here. I'll show you what I'm thinking about doing instead. It'll save me time, and if I do it right, it should be just as strong. But anyways, let's get to it. Here's what that gel did to it. Looks like it bubbled up pretty good. I was wondering. Huh. It looks like it might have worked. Didn't do so much up here, I don't think. But we'll see, this is kind of kind of getting the paint off though. But it worked pretty well through here, I think. Just falls off, so that's good. Anyways, we'll clean this up tonight here, and probably get some water and wipe it down and dry it off. But I think tonight I'm wanting to drill these out some more. And I'm thinking, instead of buying this whole new piece here, maybe I should just cut it here and make a new piece before I replace the whole thing. Because it shouldn't be too difficult. The only thing I can't really do is make a square punch in it. I mean, I guess I could, but it'd take some time. But let me know what your thoughts on that. I mean, if it's better just to get a whole new panel, and so be it. But I think that's the worst part is this on this panel here. Let me look on the inside. It does have some surface rust. But other than that, I don't see it being too bad. But let me know what you think. I mean, if it'd be easier just to take this whole thing off and replace it, I'm fine with that. It will make it look better. But I'm still thinking on it. But tonight we'll concentrate on this and clean that off, which I think I might do that first. So you see, it seemed to work pretty good. Still have a few spots up here, but that kind of like this stuff that's kind of still has a gel. It's where I used my Roloc primer on it. You can see where I took it down to the original paint. But I'm gonna try to clean this up a little bit better. Then we're gonna put another coat on it and let it set again. See if we can't get the rest of it off. I'm not sure if, I know this is bare metal, but I'm not sure if that's bare metal as well. But we'll try it again. I think it worked pretty well. But we'll go ahead and put another coat on it right quick. All right, we'll let that set for another day. But we'll get the next layer. I don't think it's that bad of a deal if it works, because I still have probably half a bottle left, and it did almost half this panel here. I think it's only 12 bucks. So we'll see what this does by tomorrow. Now let's go work on the kick panel. Just kind of pre-drilled all the spot welds so that I'm going to use a spot weld cutter. Won't slip out of it, hopefully, because I don't want to blow through any of these pieces. If I can stop it from happening, that'd be nice. But we'll get to start cutting on these and see how far we get. I don't know how much that y'all saw, but I kind of threw the, trying not to go through out the window. It seemed like the further I went down, the further was getting closer to going through. So figure we'll just drill them out like this. Then we'll just put the new kick panel on and weld it from the underneath, since the holes will already be there. And then, weld these right here on this side, because it fits up underneath it. Then I'll drill down through these and weld it because it goes underneath that. That's my new plan. Don't know if it's a good plan or the right way, but I figure that's how I'm gonna have to do it. So I'm gonna keep this up to a certain point, and I'm keeping all this, the tub, So might be easier, yeah, just to pop the new one on and weld from behind here, take the tire off so I can get back there and try welding it. But I think I'm gonna put some of that gel on this section right here and see what that does too. Kind of see what, excuse me, see what it'll do. We'll see how that bubbles up tomorrow. Hopefully it takes it off pretty good. But we'll see what it does. I still think I'm gonna have to do some sandblasting. But anywho, look at that tomorrow. And I think I'll continue on drilling these out. I'm sweaty and tired and just don't want to mess with it anymore tonight on the spot welds. But we'll get those off soon. And then you can see it's already starting to bubble up. So we'll look at this again tomorrow, clean it off. And I may go get me some of that primer and go ahead and maybe paint this end of this week. I think it's gonna look pretty good. Anyways, I think that'll do it for me tonight. It's pretty bad when it's midnight and it's about 85, 90 degrees in the garage, but I'm pretty sweaty and I'm tired. So we'll leave it there tonight and check on this tomorrow and that back there tomorrow, and we'll continue drilling those out. And let me know if I should try to patch that or just buy a whole new panel, because if I need to buy a new panel, I need to get it ordered here pretty quick. But if y'all think I could patch it, then I might give a shot at it. I mean, I guess it can't hurt. I still need to figure out how to make a square hole. Sounds weird, but anyways, if you like what you see and you want to watch me try some stuff that I never thought about doing and do some stuff that I've never done before, please like, comment, subscribe. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Usually something on the Bronco. But anyways, we'll get back at it tomorrow and keep on going along. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next.